Step back in time and imagine a bustling medieval kitchen. It's a place filled with the aromas of roasting meats, baking bread, and simmering stews. Food held a different meaning in medieval times. It was not just about sustenance, it was a symbol of social standing and a source of community bonding. From grand feasts in castles to humble meals in peasant cottages, food played a central role in medieval life. In this culinary journey back in time, we will delve into the heart of medieval cooking by exploring a dish that graced the tables of both peasants and nobles: pottage. This hearty stew, simple in its essence yet versatile in its ingredients, offers a glimpse into the culinary traditions of the bygone era. Join me as we unlock the secrets of medieval cooking and recreate a taste of history in our modern kitchens. Pottage, a thick and hearty stew, was a staple food in medieval Europe. Its popularity stemmed from its simplicity, affordability, and ability to feed a large number of people. Imagine a large cauldron simmering over an open fire, its contents bubbling gently as the tantalizing aroma filled the air. That, my friends, was the heart of many a medieval meal. The beauty of pottage lay in its adaptability. Common ingredients included grains like barley, oats, or wheat, which provided substance and energy. Vegetables, either fresh or dried, added flavor and nutrients. Onions, leeks, cabbage, peas, and beans were frequent additions. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure? Let's recreate a simple yet flavorful medieval pottage. This recipe is a starting point. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients to suit your taste. Ingredients: 6 cups water, 2 carrots chopped, 4 stalks celery, chopped, ½ teaspoon pepper, optional bacon or ham, diced for added flavor. Instructions: 1. Rinse the barley under cold water. 2. In a large pot or Dutch oven, combine the barley, water, onion, carrots, celery, salt and pepper. 3. If using bacon or ham, add it to the pot as well. 4. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 1 to 1.5 hours or until the barley is tender. 5. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Pottage, while a simple dish, held a significant place in medieval society. It was often served in communal bowls, further emphasizing the sense of community. The type of pottage served could also indicate social status. Nobles might enjoy pottages enriched with meat, spices, and wine. Peasants, on the other hand, relied on more basic versions, often flavored with herbs foraged from the nearby woods. Pottage, in its many forms, provides a fascinating glimpse into the culinary landscape of medieval times.